Greetings to all friends and welcome to the Medium LP channel. As you can see from the title, today I will share a ritual that will make you madly in love. You can do this for your ex or for your separated spouse. It can also be done for those who are justly deserving. Especially, this ritual I will give you is different from others and has an incredibly strong effect. Just make sure to do it correctly and properly. In the comments I noticed that some friends were very pleased with the rituals, while others were not satisfied. When I researched this, dear friends, I realized that when I spoke to these people, they were doing the rituals incorrectly and without. Before explaining this ritual, I need to tell you how to succeed in a ritual and how to achieve positive results when you perform it, and I understood this. Now, dear friends, a ritual should not be performed in a tired or reluctant manner. I do this ritual because I believe in its effectiveness, which is why I'm here at this table. You're feeling tired and not enjoying anything in life. Don't do this ritual. Go shower, refresh yourself, have a coffee, gather your energy, and then sit down here. Believe in this with your heart and soul for just 5 minutes, brother. You need to have faith while doing this. It's neither magic nor a prayer. You can ask me in the comments about any parts you don't understand. If you wish, without further ado, this is a process that makes one madly in love, friend. How is it done? Let's get started right away. Now, my dear friends, sketch the diagram you see on a blank page like this. You can use any color of pen. This ritual does not have a color condition. On any blank page, you drew this diagram with a pen of any color. Once you've drawn it, dear friends, as you can see, we will fill it from the outside in together with you. Here, step by step. First of all, I filled the outer small circles like this. The final 2 outer circles will be filled, dear friends. Start by filling the inside, as I demonstrated to you, dear friends. You keep going like this. I am speeding through these parts. You all can halt the video. Watch and replicate it that way. You can do it. Now, the inside was entirely filled with charms in this manner. The next thing I must do is, I have to write my name in this place. My name. Here, I write the name of the person I wish to enchant. That person's name is. Notice that I haven't written any mother names here. Mother names are not used in this ritual, friends. You don't need one because it's a powerful one-on-one ritual. You wrote your own name here. You also wrote the name of the person you wish to enchant. Dear friends, this ritual is such that it has demonstrated its effects within just 24 hours. I experienced this firsthand and spoke with others who have too. In this video, I want to teach you this. I truly want you to be able to do this. I will also talk about a very nice event. Now, there will be occasional events in some videos on the Medium Alp channel. What are these events? I will select 3 lucky individuals from the comments of some videos and provide them with special star chart readings. We will do this together in some videos. This event is valid in this video, friends. I will choose 3 individuals from those who like and comment on this video to give them a personalized star chart reading. This will be done exclusively for them. You can find my Instagram page in the description. My phone number is also listed. I will choose 3 individuals from the comments in 2 days for a special star chart reading. We will hold lovely events on this channel from now on. If you're not a subscriber, consider subscribing to benefit. I want to mention the effects of the love ritual we did. I want to share the effects of the ritual with you all. If the person you are doing this for is involved with someone, I suggest you refrain. Do it only if it's right. You already know that I don't want to keep repeating these warnings over and over. This is my request to you. If you implement this correctly, friends, the person will become deeply infatuated with you. They won't be able to exist without you. In life, they will not see anyone else but you. They will only want to be with you and live with you, because you will have bound them with your heart and soul. This process is called the ritual that makes one madly in love, my friend. It's a basic ritual. It looks simple, but the one who does it needs to be strong. You all should be strong too. If you can't manage, as I said, I have an Instagram account. Those who are unable to do it from there should message me. I will assist. However, you must first listen to the video attentively and attempt it. Without putting in effort, this won't succeed, friends. You are currently viewing the start of the video. Believing you understand the ritual, you begin to perform it. However, I said something crucial at the end. You overlooked. If needed, watch it again. Follow the instructions I provided. If it still doesn't work, don't worry. Mediumal will be here to help you. Besides that, dear friends, as I said, we would be very pleased if you subscribe to our channel and like this video.